Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to blur a face in CapCut picture. So first of all, go ahead right here and open up the CapCut. Let's have an example. This is the picture of that person that you want to blur. So what you're going to do, you're going to be able right here to see the many stickers. Go ahead right here and swipe left, and then you're going to see the stickers. And in the before basically pre-last option, you're going to see right here. Click on it and basically go ahead and just type right here blur kind of thing, right? And then basically get a able right here to add the blur to that person and change or relocate that relocate that blur. And then basically if you want to move it, you can just, as we said before, click the diamond and then move the photo, and then the diamonds will be falling in place. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.